joined Cell Academy, Goa's best coaching for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparations for class 8 to 12. State toppers for NEET and JEE Main 2024, both produced by Cell Academy. Admissions are now open for class 8 to 12 and repeaters medical batch for NEET 2025. We have study centers at Margao, Vasco and Porvorim.
Panaji District and Sessions Court has allowed a revision application filed by former minister and former chairman of Goa State Co-operative Bank Limited, Prakash Shankar Velip, and has discharged him in a case related with forgery, criminal breach of trust and cheating. Background of the case is that a case was registered in 2006 by Economics Offence Cell against Prakash Velip and others for allegedly cheating the bank to the tune of more than 32 crore rupees. It was alleged that Prakash Velip and other member of investment committee had bought bonds on the higher rates but sold it on the lower rate, which caused the loss of 32 crore rupees to the bank. But now, allowing the revision application, the Panaji court has held that there is no document showing the role of accused Prakash Velip to the alleged crime. Hence, he must be discharged in this case. After holding this, the Sessions Court has quashed and set aside an order of JMFC Court ordering to frame charge against Prakash Velip, and Sessions Court has now discharged him. Mukesh Kumar for Prudent.